Check the bore measurements. It's within spec. Good. Finish the pass. Shaft spins smooth. Bearings are solid. Yeah, no play. Looks good. Those new gaskets looking good? Yeah, edges are perfect. Good. How about the old ones? Trash. Almost dry now? Yeah, just a few more spots. Looks good. Journals look good. No scoring. Smooth rotation. Let's check the mains. $55, $60, $65, $70. Cranks in. Looks good. Yeah. Let's get the heads prepped next. Right. I'll grab the gaskets. Quiet work on the F40. That's it. Perfect fit. Nice and slow. Looks good. 45 foot-pounds. 45. 45. See these timing marks? Line them up with the crank. Perfect. That's the intake side. Alignment confirmed on the first mark. Second mark aligned, proceed slowly. Easy, align the dowels. Perfect. Press it down gently. All right, lowering now. Keep it steady. Got it. Feels good on this side. Perfect, it's seated. 45, 50, 55, 60. Careful with that spring tension. Perfect alignment. Keep going. Careful with that spring tension. Perfect alignment. Keep going. This one's ready for the plenum. Yeah, it looks good. The gasket faces are spotless. Fitment should be perfect. Okay, lowering it now. Good. Ports are lining up. Okay, it's seated. Align it up. Good. Now thread it. That's it. Snug. 70 foot-pounds, 80 foot-pounds, 90 foot-pounds. Hold it steady there. Got it. Feels secure. Yeah, that clamp looks seated. Good. I'll check the boost later. Sounds good? Yeah, just a light coat on the rails. Looks good. Now the wipe. Seals are good. Next one. Perfect. Okay, lowering it down. Easy. Left side first. Injectors aligned. Seating now. Looks clean. Keep it up. Nice click. One more. Perfect. That's the last one. Hoses are routed cleanly. Looks good. Turbos aligned. Wiring is secure. Good to go. Engine's done. Looks solid. Yeah, ready to install it. Okay, let's prep the bay. Left chain's a bit slack. Got it. Tightening now. Looks aligned. Check the right. All right, coming down. Keep it steady. Steady on the hoist. Good. A little to the left. Aligned. Alignment looks good. Mounts are seated. Perfect alignment. That's it. Slow and steady. Keep that torque even. Good. Next one. Nice and snug. Check the rear clearance. Looks good. Aligning now. Securing the left side. Right side locked. Yeah, that's seated right. Keep it slow. Good torque. One more click. Rear subframe looks solid. Bolts torqued correctly. Suspension mounts are clean. Yes, everything's in spec. Aligning now. Slide it home. Good engagement. Hold steady. Easy now. Bring her down slow. Got it. Steady as she goes. Looking good. Almost there. Check the bushing. How's the play? Minimal. Turbos and hoses look secure. Yes, wiring is routed correctly. Good. We're clear to close up.